The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Doing yard work at Fast Cap today. I've got a pet peeve. My pet peeve is when I spread fertilizer, I hate this little thing. So I took signboard, Mickey Moused it in there, glued it all, hot glued. Now I have 4 times as much, less walking back and forth to the bag. Love continuous improvement, love 2-second lean. Okay, so I finished the job and it didn't work good. It worked outrageous. And this is the beauty of 2-second lean. I stopped and fixed what bugged me. It bugged me that it ran out so quick and I had to keep going back. And the beauty of that is it gave me energy. When I did the job, I was happy to do the job because I wasn't frustrated and angry that they made this hopper so small. It worked incredible. So the best thing about 2-second lean is emotional energy. If you've never heard me say that before, you're hearing it now.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.